Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to the program number 16, print the prime number in a range. So we already check on the program number 5 is the number, it is a prime or not. But today what we're going to do is to check or print all of the prime numbers that exist between two numbers in a range, like between 10 and 20, between 10 and 100, between 0 and 1000. So specific range, we're going to print the prime numbers in that range. So I'm going to say prime in range, like this. I create the public function, public static void main. Perfect. So what I'm going to do, I need two things: the start of the range, I'll assign for instance to a number 10, and the end, like go with 50 for instance, like this. So the number is going to be in a range, so this is the number, it's going to be from the start and up to the end. Here we're going to find int is prime or boolean, or let's go with boolean and set it to true. The default is true. So here we're going to check again by running a for loop again and do divisor, or just make it I, or make it divisor the same. So divisor starts from the position 2 because the 0 and 1 not counting, okay? And the divisor up to the n divider in 2, as we've done on the program number 5. And we could use, instead of dividing the number on 2, we could use math, that's square root of number. That depends on you, whatever you would use is the same basically. So here what we need to do just to check if the number modular of the divisor it is equal to 0. If so is prime should be set to false, and we could break from our loop, okay? Next, what we're going to do out of this for loop, we just check if is prime, and of course if number is greater than 1, what we need to do to print the number. And let's add like a space here, remove this new line because we are still inside of the loop, like this, do a space like this. Here should be a plus. So let me run this program and see is it going to print all the prime numbers between these two numbers. So as you see here, we have 11, 13. So those are the prime numbers that exist between 10 and 50. This is how, as you see, just to understand what we've done here, we first checked for the prime numbers, as you see here, and each states, if we find that the number is true, it is prime, we're going to print it. Otherwise, it is false, okay? It's not true, its prime is not true, and we're breaking out of the loop as soon as we've got that, and continue, okay? Because if we remove this break, this is what we're going to get. The same, but basically break what it does as soon as we reach to a point, we breaking from it. So as we checked that the divisor is false, we break in right away from this if statement and move into the next one to check it, okay? This is how to do a prime in a range. So basically you need to understand first of all the number program number 5, which is prime number check. I don't know where I write it in here. Prime range check prime, here it is. As you see here, we've done all of that instead of using just in here printing between two ranges. So now we're going to move on to the next program.